we look at the open source ecosystem, there is more than just the open source LLM. So I see three different layers. So we have the LLM layer, where we have commercial models like GPT-4 and others, and we have open source models like Llama 2 and Flan and so on. But then there's also this middle or tooling layer, where we have tools like LangChain, like Llama Index, where we have things like Hugging Face for fine-tuning models. And I think this is where most things are happening right now. And then we have a third layer, which is even abstracting even more, where you have not only the tool stack, but also the whole front-end component stacked on top of that. These are tools like Vercel AI, for example. Microsoft also putting out some repositories that help you create a ChatGPT-like interface or setting up the RAG architecture and things like that. And I think this whole ecosystem is what makes these kind of use cases thrive at the moment, especially if you want to have more customizability. And